Welcome back to more tricks and tips on how to maximize MightyNet for your network or community. We're going to show you how to use MightyNet's SEO do-it-yourself editor with embedded tools. Now you can use this editor to build a website that you can promote inside MightyNet with a host of community tools. Now, you can get to this page a number of ways. You can either type in https://editor.latenightcorner.com, or you can head over to the Getting Started module and select the discovery page, and from there, under the featured section, you should see a post that says build a website or build your website. Select that post. That post will also take you to editor.latenightcorner.com, and that will take you inside the editor or to the login page of the editor. So let's go ahead and go to that page, and we're going to log in. Now, when you first get to the page, if you don't have a login, it will ask you to sign up. Once you sign up, then you can log in, and it will take you through some questions. It will attempt to automate the building of your website, or you can do it manually. We're going to do it manually here. So we're going to go through the different steps that you would do to build your website. That's your choice. You can have them scripted questions that help you build your site, or you can build it manually. So let's get started here. Let's go ahead and log in. And I turn off Remember Me because I don't like my platform to remember passwords. You can choose to create a custom email that signals you that when you first open it up. Now the left side is for content parts of your website. Your shapes, your text, your media, buttons. There's lines, icons, rectangles, circles. And then you can also have different types of contact pages. You can add social media icons. You can add e-commerce blocks, blog blocks, booking blocks. You can do it in multi-languages, event blocks, real estate blocks, and extras. Now, if we go to the one with the 4 dots or 4 squares in the middle, we'll have some other options. Under General, we can select some general blocks. These blocks are already customized and set up. You just modify them to your specifications. These are about blocks, different types of about blocks that are common. Service blocks, features blocks, contacts blocks, online store blocks. You can add those to your blog, hotel blocks. And here's your blog. You can add a blog and have different types of blocks of your blog to match what you need to do. Same thing with event blocks. They're all customized. So these are a number of things that you can do on the left side. Here you can search for templates that you might like. Now let's go over to the right side. Here you can choose whether you want to edit it as a mobile page or a desktop page. The general page editor almost has it formatted for mobile, but you have to make slight modifications. Now here you can set your SEO settings that you would see on your search engines. You can tell the search engines what to use to search so that it will reflect your site. You can do pop-ups. You can add extra pages. You can set up your cookie policy, a 404 page. That's an error page. And you can set up private access and provide keys, but you have to have the Pro version to do that. Okay, now let's head over to the second part. We're going to focus on the right hand side of the menu. Here we're logging in again, and those are where you're going to put your shapes and things like that you want to add. Here you're going to select mobile, preview, pages, new page. You can search for pages. You can do a courtesy page. Here is your dashboard. You're going to put on you can do an online store, you can do a blog, you can do booking, and the app keeps track of the number of items you have completed in order to assess how much of the tasks that they feel that you should complete for your website have been done. So there are a lot of different things that you can do. Now, SEO is, like I said, is what the search engines use. And this website, you can input what type of data you want the search engines to use when customers are looking for you. You can also look at your statistics. Here it said that on this one, this is just a blank page, so it doesn't have a site name yet. You can set your settings, and there's where you turn it off. And you can activate to Pro if you want. You can also have other administrators on your site, which is really nice, so you can get help from other administrators to help you with your site. Now, this is where you get your website details, and at any time you can upgrade to Pro. You can put custom code in your header or your body. You can change template anytime you want. There's several hundred templates to choose from. You can use the search, or you can just scroll through. Here you can select the colors, the color scheme of your template. You can control what languages your website will display. And here are your marketing tools. Again, here's SEO, so that you can control what the search engines say about you. Statistics. And here you can do a checkup on your website to make sure how your site is performing. And you can create a free logo. You can start if you want. You just press start now. And here, these are support items. There are a ton of support material that's available. And anything you have a question on, you can look at the support material for that area. That's analytics. Pop-up. Tells you how to do everything that you need to do on the site. And if you have questions, there is a live chat on the site as well. And plus, you can use the support from MightyNet. You can ask questions, and someone from MightyNet will respond. Talks about how you can have collaborators, which is so important. Sometimes you get stuck building your website and you need help, or you just need input, or you have several people collaborating on one site, which is not a bad idea. Here you can take care of DNS management. It tells you how to do the DNS. This will, when you upgrade to Pro, it will automatically give you an opportunity to choose a subdomain on MightyNet.net or choose your own custom domain. So you have those options that are available to you. And it tells you how to do that. Actually, you won't have to do that. That's something that we will do on the MightyNet side as far as managing the DNS records. So that pretty much sums up how you would use MightyNet's SEO do-it-yourself editor to build a website that you can promote